Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage allergies with Claritin step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your allergy triggers. Common triggers include pollen, dust mites, pet dander, and mold. Once you identify your triggers, consult a healthcare professional for guidance. They can confirm your allergy through tests and recommend suitable medications. Now, obtain Claritin, an over-the-counter antihistamine. Read the instructions carefully on the Claritin packaging. Claritin is available in both tablet and liquid form. Choose the form that you find most convenient. If you're taking the tablet, swallow it whole with water. If you prefer the liquid, measure the recommended dose with a spoon or cup. Take Claritin once a day for best results. Make sure to take it at the same time each day to maintain consistent levels in your body. If you miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. Do not double up on doses if it's almost time for your next one. Monitor your symptoms after taking Claritin. Note any improvements or side effects you may experience. If symptoms persist or worsen after several days, consult your healthcare provider. Maintain a clean environment to minimize exposure to allergens. Regularly vacuum and dust your home. Consider using air purifiers to reduce allergens in the air. During allergy season, check daily pollen counts to adjust your outdoor plans accordingly. Stay indoors on high pollen count days if possible. If you need to be outside, consider wearing sunglasses to protect your eyes. After being outdoors, change your clothes and shower to remove pollen. Incorporate a healthy diet rich in vitamins to support your immune system. Stay hydrated to help your body cope with allergic reactions. Follow your healthcare provider's advice and adjust your Claritin dosage if necessary. Keep track of when your allergy symptoms flare up for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.